Welcome to the Subscribe Service tutorial video, where you'll be shown how to use Subscribe, the service for setting up your university IT account that includes computing and your email. If you've already signed up, you can use this service to manage your account for changing or resetting a password. To access the service, use an internet browser such as Internet Explorer or Firefox and type the following address into the address bar: www.subscribe.iss.southampton.ac.uk. It will take you to the screen we're looking at now, which is the Subscribe homepage. Let's begin with setting up your account. Click on the link called Create Your University Computing Account here, in the top middle of the screen. Next, enter your Southampton University ID number here, also known as your student number. You'll find this on any of the correspondence you have had from us. It's an 8-digit number. OK, now enter your surname or family name here. Followed by your 2-digit day and month of birth into the boxes below. So if my birthday is the 22nd of September, I would enter it as 2209. Then click on the Next button. Carefully read the terms of service before you click Accept to continue. Accepting means you agree to use the equipment and service responsibly. It's a bit like a user contract. If you decline, then you won't be able to create an account. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to set up security answers. You can change the default questions if you want to. It's important to complete them as you will need the answers to reset a forgotten password, or for verification if you contact Service Line. Service Line is the IT support service at the university. Keep the answers as specific and memorable to you as possible to help you remember them. You can change the answers at a later time should you wish to. Once completed, click on Next. On this next screen, the system displays the username it has generated for you. It's a good idea to write it down and keep it somewhere safe. It's located here, just above where you now need to set your password. Take time to read the password requirements. It needs to be between 8 and 14 characters in length, and include one character from each of these 3 groups described here. So it needs to include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number or character. Make sure your password doesn't include any part of your name or username in it. This causes problems with your account and makes it less secure. Once you've decided your password, enter it here, and then confirm it again in the box below. Then click on Next to continue. The system may take a few moments to get through this next stage, and this is normal. Once processed, you'll see this confirmation screen, which redisplays your university username and your email addresses at the top section here. This is normally your username at southampton.ac.uk. You can start using your email account within an hour, but allow at least 15 minutes before you try it. If you're not seeing any of what is being described at this stage, or your bar in the middle of the screen is red, please contact Service Line, the IT support service at the university. The internal number is 25656 or externally dial 02380 595 656 and they'll be able to help you. If you are a UK or EU student, you can continue to enrol by clicking on the Continue to Enrol button. There is a separate video to help you through this process on the enrolment website at www.southampton.ac.uk/enrol. If you are an international student, the next step is to apply for your ID card by clicking on the Continue to Apply for ID card button. But you will also need to complete a visa check with the Student Records team. To find out more about how and when to do this, use the link on the screen which takes you to www.southampton.ac.uk/tier4_check_in.